If you've been feeling the pressure of rising water costs, ongoing droughts, or just the desire to live more sustainably and independently, I have something really special to share with you today. I recently came across a system called Joseph's Well, and I have to say, it's one of the most surprisingly effective and empowering solutions I've encountered when it comes to water self-sufficiency. Whether you're just starting to think about prepping or already living off-grid, this system could be a game changer. What really impressed me is how accessible the whole thing is. They're offering a complete DIY water from air system for just $39, with no hidden fees, subscriptions, or upsells. And it even comes with a 365-day satisfaction guarantee so you can try it completely risk-free. That level of generosity and trust in the product really stood out to me. At its core, Joseph's Well system is designed to pull moisture from the air, purify it, and store it for your use. And yes, it even works in dry climates like California. It might sound like sci-fi, but I've tried it myself, and it really does deliver. The setup was straightforward, didn't require any technical background, and I had clean, drinkable water by the third day. Now, here's the best part. Along with the system, you also receive bonus guides that walk you through water purification, storage, and smart usage tips for sustainable living. These extras are invaluable whether you're prepping for an emergency, trying to cut back on your municipal usage, or just looking to reduce your environmental impact. If this is resonating with you, I definitely recommend checking it out. You can grab the full system instantly online. There's no waiting, no gimmicks, just a clear path to greater independence and peace of mind when it comes to your water supply. For those ready to go deeper, this isn't just about collecting water, it's about reclaiming a sense of control in uncertain times. Joseph's Well offers a way to support yourself and your family with up to 50 gallons of clean water per day, powered either by solar energy or standard electricity. That's huge, especially for anyone living in drought-prone areas or preparing for future disruptions. To wrap it all up, whether you're new to sustainable living or already passionate about self-sufficiency, Joseph's Well system is one of the most accessible and empowering tools I've seen. And the fact that you can build it yourself for under $40 and start producing clean water in days, honestly, it's remarkable. So go ahead, check out the link in the description or pinned comment, grab your copy, and start your journey toward water freedom today. And if you found this helpful, feel free to like, share, or drop a comment letting me know how you're preparing for the future. I'd love to hear from you.